So stoked to see the Bogey Brothers back. Really made my Monday. I just want to go play around right now. Should call some people. Hey, what's up, man? You free today? Oh, you got work? No problem. Talk to you later. Have fun on your vacation. Thanks for the invite. You getting a vasectomy today? Alright, man. Good luck. A meeting today? Isn't that cold? It's not. I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, join you today? Oh, I already booked the tea time. Sorry. Alright. I'll talk to you later. Well, we'll just delete that number now. I wish you could play golf. What the fuck? So, and you talk too? What's going on here? Yeah, normally I don't have anything good to say, but I figured I could help you out today. Wait, are you saying you can golf? Yeah, I can do all kinds of things. Clearly. Wait, why do you look like me? Well, unfortunately, you're the only human I ever see, so you're the only one I know how to change to. You need to have some company every once in a while, man. Leave me alone, I'm going through things. Okay. And I pay for your food. All right, why don't we just go play a few holes, record it, and maybe you can challenge those Bogey Brothers and get your YouTube channel some exposure if they accept it. Hey, you're the ones always complaining that you want 1,000 subscribers so YouTube will monetize this channel so then you can put more money into this channel, but 99% of the people who watch these videos aren't even subscribed. The rules are simple. We're just gonna be alternating shots and we're gonna see who can get the least amount of bogeys. Not gonna be this guy. Hey, why? So mean. Seriously, he just hit a line drive. Hey, at least it rolled like 200 yards. Nice shot, Charlie.
And that's how you get a green in regulation there, buddy.
Great putt, looks like a par to me. Charlie, don't jinx it. Good job. Never doubted myself, unlike some people. Oh no. Your shot was about as aligned as his camera shot. Oh, dang it. I got it. Seriously, flag? Seriously? Good job. On to the next.
Charlie, can we try and win this? That'd be great, thanks. I'm not the one you should be worried about.
I'll roll out.
Well, Charlie, you really killed that ball. Yeah, I told you I was good.
Here, let me hold this for you since you seem to have a problem with these. Hey, the hole's over here, buddy. Had enough of you, Charlie. I'm heading to the cart. Don't choke. Whatever. No. Really? You're kidding me. That's what you get for being cocky.
So, Charlie, I see you don't practice putting much. Tricking's for dogs.
Hey, buddy, how's that for a tee shot? Great shot. We should be sitting pretty. Please just get it on the green. Don't worry about me, worry about your putting. Bounce right. No pressure, but this could be our best 4 holes in a row ever. Ah, almost. Great job. Let's clean this up real quick. Okay, now bye-bye, Charlie. See you at home. All right, Bogey Brothers. See if you can beat that.